Okay, we are doing the first chapter where we are learning some of the concepts. We finished till page number 7, big and small. Now today we are going to continue and do page number 8 where it says biggest and smallest. When we compare between a number of things, जब हम कुछ चीजों को compare करते हैं तब उसमें हमारे पास big, bigger, biggest ये होता है और small, smaller, smallest. Right? Now I'm going to show you something. Just see carefully. Vali, sit straight. Vali.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, look here. Look at these pencils I have in my hand. I have 1, 2, 3 pencils. Can you see I got 3 pencils? One pencil is not very big, but it is big. Big enough for me to hold in my hand and write. The second pencil is a little bigger. A little bigger means उससे थोड़ी सी बड़ी. इस पेंसिल से ये पेंसिल थोड़ी बड़ी है. Look here. Can you see? Give me a thumbs up, children, so that I know that you are following. Shub, put your pencils down. And first, follow, listen, understand. Big, bigger. जब हम दो चीजों को कंपेयर करेंगे तब हम बोलेंगे ये पेंसिल इस पेंसिल से ज्यादा बड़ी है. And in English we say this pencil is bigger than the blue pencil. This pencil is blue. You can see the blue color pencil. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Come on, children, be smart. You're not babies now. You're all big children. This is a blue pencil and it is smaller. This is bigger. Now I'm going to show you another pencil which is light blue in color, and this is the biggest. Can you see? This is the biggest. Yes? Give me a thumbs up quickly. Isn't this the biggest? 3 pencils में सबसे बड़ी pencil है ये. So we say big, bigger, biggest. Big ये बड़ी है, ये उससे बड़ी है bigger, और ये उससे भी बड़ी है biggest, सबसे बड़ी. जब हम small के लिए बोलेंगे then we will say, I'll show you some more pencils. Now look here. Look at these 3 pencils. Can you see these 3 pencils now? Give me a thumbs up quickly. ये पेंसिल थोड़ी छोटी है, ये पेंसिल उससे थोड़ी छोटी है, और ये पेंसिल सबसे छोटी है. So we will say small, smaller, smallest. Right? Small, smaller, smallest. When we have more than one things to compare, जब हमारे पास कुछ ज्यादा चीजें हैं और उसमें से हमें बताना है कौन सी चीज बड़ी है, कौन सी चीज छोटी है, कौन सी सबसे बड़ी है, कौन सी सबसे छोटी है, then we use big, bigger, biggest or small, smaller, smallest. Now look at the pictures. Again you have your 2 little friends over there. Page number 8. Look at page number 8. Again you have Krish and Kinney, and this time there's a little frog there also. So the monkey, he says, I am the biggest. Look at the monkey. He's standing with his hand up and he's saying, I am the biggest. मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ. Then at the side of the monkey, उसके बगल में कौन है? The bear. So he is a little bigger. थोड़ा सा. Then you have a small little frog there. The small says, I am the smallest. मैं सबसे छोटा हूं. Monkey is the biggest and frog is the smallest. Now look at the pictures given over there, children. It says tick the biggest and cross the smallest. Tick the biggest and cross the smallest. Now look at all the three pictures. Shubh, tell me the names of the pictures that are made over there. First picture में क्या बना है? Shubh,
Trolley.
the first picture from your left hand side.
Right.
The first picture from your left, what is that?
Excuse me, who is page number?
Page number 8.
फर्स्ट पिक्चर क्या है?
पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखिए. फर्स्ट पिक्चर को. ओके, नाउ आप ध्यान से सुनिएगा. मंजीत, what is the first picture over there?
Helicopter.
That's a helicopter. Okay. So the first picture is a helicopter. Now, Sakina, can you tell me what is the second picture?
मैम अपनी नानी की डेथ हो गई इसलिए मैं अपनी बुक नहीं लाई.
All right, Sakina. Okay, Krishita, can you tell me what is the second picture? Krishita, can you tell me what is the second? The first picture is a helicopter. Second picture is a cycle. Second picture is a cycle. And the third picture, Inaya, what is the third picture?
Ma'am, trolley.
All right, Inaya, thank you. Now, Meher, you will tell me by looking at all the three pictures, which is the biggest and which is the smallest. Look at all the three pictures. Three pictures for
Helicopter is biggest.
Yes.
Trolley is smallest.
Very good. The helicopter is the biggest and the trolley is the smallest. So on helicopter, that green square, put a tick on that and put a cross where the trolley is. All of you do it and then give me a thumbs up that you finished. Shivansh, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you look at the next pictures. The next set of pictures, the first picture is, Shivansh, what is the first picture in the second column?
Helicopter.
सेकेंड पिक कॉलम, जो सेकेंड वाली लाइन में पिक्चर्स बनी है उसको ध्यान से देखिए.
Sofa.
All right, the second picture, that's a stool.
Stool.
All right, and then the third picture,
Chair.
chair. Okay, now tell me which is the biggest and which is the smallest out of all the three. थ्री पिक्चर्स है, उनको ध्यान से देखिए और बताइए सबसे बड़ा उसमें से कौन सा है, बिगेस्ट, और सबसे छोटा दैट इज स्मॉलेस्ट कौन सा है.
मैम, क्रोकोडाइल.
शिवांश, अभी हम लोग सेकेंड वाली रो की पिक्चर्स देख रहे हैं ना, आपने क्रोकोडाइल कैसे बोल दिया? अभी आपने बताया सोफा, स्टूल और चेयर. ना लुक एट दोस. आप उन थ्री पिक्चर्स को देखिए बेटे और उसमें से बताइए सबसे बड़ी चीज आपको उसमें से कौन सी लग रही है. विच इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग, सोफा, स्टूल और चेयर?
Sofa is biggest. Stool is small.
Astha, Vesh,
Sofa.
Shivansh is answering. Come on, Shivansh, hurry up. Sofa is the biggest, so put a tick over there. And stool is the smallest, so put a cross over there.
Ma'am, I have complete.
Then why don't you answer, Shivansh? Everybody is waiting for you to answer. जब मैम आपसे पूछ रही है आपको जल्दी से आंसर करना है बेटे, पूरा क्लास वेट कर रहा है ना. Okay, Arham, moving on to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, name the pictures first quickly.
Frog.
The first picture is a,
Frog.
that's not a frog, that's a turtle.
Yes.
That's a turtle. Okay, and the second picture,
Snake.
snake. Third picture,
Crocodile.
crocodile. Very good. Now tell me which is the biggest and which is the smallest.
Biggest. Crocodile biggest.
All right, crocodile is the biggest. You put a tick over there, children. And which is the smallest?
Snake is smallest.
All right, so you put a cross over there. Put a cross over there. All right. Now, that is biggest and smallest. Now coming to the next page, page number 9. Now again we have something here which these two friends of yours are telling you. Kini and Krish are telling us again something. Kini is near the tree. Krish is far from the tree. Near means पास में. NEAR, near means पास में. FAR, far means दूर. और जब हम एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ों को कंपेयर करते हैं तब हम फिर से यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे हमने बिगर, बिगेस्ट सीखा था अभी, इसी तरह से नियर, नियरर, नियरेस्ट. जो चीज़ें पास में है, जब हमारे पास कई चीज़ें दी हैं और हमें बताना है कौन सी चीज़ बहुत पास में है, कौन सी थोड़ा पास में है, कौन सी थोड़ा सा और पास में है, देन वी यूज़ द वर्ड्स नियर, नियरर, nearest. Right? Now look at the pictures given here. Tick the child who is near the finishing line and cross the one who is far. Far means dur, near means paas mein. Far means, Sakina, what does far means?
Dur.
Dur, very good. And Hardik, what does near mean?
Pass.
Hardik, what does near mean?
Pass. Pass.
Pass mein. All right. So now Hardik is going to tell me. Hardik, look at the picture there. There are two children. They are cycling. पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखिए. दो बच्चे हैं, साइकिलिंग कर रहे हैं. एक बच्चा फिनिशिंग लाइन तक पहुंच गया है और दूसरा दूर है, मतलब फार. टिक द चाइल्ड हु इज नियर द फिनिशिंग लाइन. जो फिनिशिंग लाइन के पास है उस पर आपको टिक लगाना है. अब आप हमें बताएंगे कौन है फिनिशिंग लाइन के पास, बॉय या गर्ल? हार्दिक? गर्ल. वेरी गुड. सो पुट अ टिक ऑन गर्ल and cross on the boy because the boy is far away. Now come to the next picture. Arav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arav. Now it says tick the ship which is far from the lighthouse and circle the one which is near it. Now when you look at the picture, children, when you can see this picture, can you see this tall thing here, tall tar thing? This is called the lighthouse. Okay. Now सीज पर जब शिप्स आती है वहां पे रात में लाइट हाउस से लाइट दिखती है जिससे वहां पर रोशनी रहती है. तो अब आपको यहाँ पे बताना है द शिप विच इज फार फ्रॉम द लाइट हाउस. जो शिप लाइट हाउस से फार है उसको आपको टिक करना है और जो नियर है उसको आपको सर्कल करना है. सो कम ऑन डू इट. आरव, टेल मी द आंसर.
Ma'am, orange ship.
The orange one or the red one? Which is? Which ship is far? Near is, this ship is near. This ship is near. Okay, the red
near,
one or the orange one, that is near. और जो green वाली है, जिसका base green है, that is far.
far,
Okay, so put a tick on the green one and circle the other one. When you finish, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Now it says, look at the picture and answer. Who is standing near the frog? Who is standing near the frog? Now again, you know the names of these two friends of yours. You know the names, Ali Altamash, Sayyid Ali. Come on, answer child. Who is standing near the frog? Frog के पास में कौन खड़ा है? क्रिश या किनी?
Kinney, Kinney,
Kinney is the name of the monkey. Remember, Kinney is the name of the monkey and Krish is the name of the bear. So who is standing near the frog? Ali?
Krish,
Krish, that's
number,
right. Krish is standing near the frog. Krish. All of you write it there. Krish. Okay, Nipun, the next one. Now you can see in the next picture, Krish is there, Krish the monkey. Kinney the monkey is there, and there's a little bird over there. All of you can see that little bird there. Can you all see the little bird there? Give me a thumbs up. All right. Hayat, can you tell me the color of that bird?
and blue.
Blue, that's right. Arav, I did not ask you. I had asked Hayat.
Yes, ma'am.
Hayat, can you tell me the color of that bird?
Blue.
Blue, that's right. Now let's read the question. Is Birdie standing far from Krish? Now Krish is the bear, right? Krish is the bear. Krish जो है वो bear है. और आपका जो question है, question is Birdie standing far from Krish? क्या वो Birdie Krish से दूर खड़ी है? Visual, can you tell me the answer?
Yes.
Yes, the birdie is standing far from Krish. When you look at the picture, children, this is Krish, the bear, and birdie is here. So birdie Krish से far है? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up for yes. Yes. So you will write the answer YES, yes. All of you write over there YES, yes. Make sure you put the date on that page. मैम विल नॉट रिमाइंड यू अगेन एंड अगेन. जैसे जिस पेज पर मैम काम शुरू कराती हैं, पहले आपको सबसे पहले डेट डालना है पेज पे. रिमेंबर टू पुट द डेट चिल्ड्रन. नाउ टर्न द पेज. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू नियरेस्ट एंड फर्देस्ट. नियरेस्ट मीन्स सबसे पास में. कोई चीज अगर आपको पास 2-3 चीजें हैं, उसमें से आपको देख के बताना है सबसे पास में क्या है, देन वी से नियरेस्ट. अगर आपको बताना है सबसे दूर क्या चीज है, देन वी यूज अ वर्ड फर्देस्ट. FARTHEST, furthest. Now Kinney is nearest to the pond. Kinney जो है the monkey, वो पॉन्ड के सबसे पास में है. क्रिश जो है इज फर्देस्ट फ्रॉम द पॉन्ड. फर्देस्ट मीन सबसे दूर. क्रिश जो है वो सबसे दूर है पॉन्ड से. अब जो नेक्स्ट पिक्चर्स दी हैं उन पिक्चर्स में भी आपको देखना है और बताना है कौन सा नियरेस्ट है, कौन सा फर्देस्ट है। तो पहले हम लोग नियरेस्ट वाला करेंगे। वी विल डू दिस लाइन। कैन यू ऑल सी? फर्स्ट वील डू द नियरेस्ट वंस। Look at all the pictures. The first picture. Tick the bird nearest to the corn. Now there are three birds, children. You can see one, two, three. Three birds are there. And you have to put a tick on the bird that is nearest to the corn. जो bird corn के सबसे पास में है, उस bird पे आपको tick लगाना है. Come on, do it all of you. And then show me your books. After you do it, lift your book like this and show it to me. Yes, Krishita. Show me your book, Krishita.
मैं
All right.
girl.
Okay. So all of you have done it. Now moving on to the next picture. Now you have the bee. The bee nearest to the flower. जो bee flower के सबसे पास में है. जो bee flower के सबसे पास में है. Put a tick on that bee. Let us say number 1, 2, 3. जो भी सबसे पास में है, number 1, फिर number 2, number 3. So we will put a tick on number 1. Can you see, children? Look at the screen. Yes, put a tick over there, all of you. The bee that is nearest to the flower, जो flower के सबसे पास में. Then the next picture you have the child nearest to the ball. There are 3 children over there. There are 3 children. Please do not answer out of turn. Astha, look at that picture and tell me which child is nearest to the ball. Which child? The child with the... Astha, can you look at that picture and tell me which child is nearest to the ball?
Ma'am, I have done.
Astha, can you give me the answer?
Girl, ma'am.
The girl. Okay, very good. The girl is nearest to the ball. All right, children. So that is nearest. Very good. All right, Ria. Now furthest. Furthest means सबसे दूर. Inaya, what does furthest mean? दूर, जो सबसे दूर है. जब आपके पास 2, 3 चीजें हैं, उसमें से आपको बताना है जो फर्देस्ट है, जो सबसे दूर है. Now look at the first picture, Inaya. Cross the bird furthest from the nest. जो bird nest से सबसे दूर है, उस पे टिक लगाना है. Okay. So it is this bird. Can you all see? Give me a thumbs up, children. Okay, good. Now the next one. The next picture, Pranjali. Cross the rabbit furthest from the carrot. जो rabbit carrot से सबसे दूर है. जो rabbit.
Ma'am, I have done.
All right, when you finish, you sit quietly. Pranjali, which rabbit is furthest from the carrot? Carrot से सबसे दूर कौन सा rabbit है? Blue, brown या pink? Look at the rabbits, Pranjali.
Ma'am, pink.
Pink, that's right. So put a cross over there. All of you put a cross on that rabbit. All right. Then the next picture. Meher, look at the next picture, child. Cross the spider furthest from the flower. जो स्पाइडर फ्लावर से सबसे दूर है उसको क्रॉस करना है.
Middle one. Ma'am.
It's this one. The first one from back. See, he's far from the flower. Right? You have 1, 2, and then you have the third one. So, the third one there, far away from the flower. Have you got it? Give me a thumbs up when you finished. Okay. Yes. Got it, all of you? Hassan, have you finished? Switch on your camera, Hassan. All of you finished, children? All right. Now, the next page is...
Ma'am, I have done.
All right, very good. Now, the next page has more and most. More and most. When you are comparing, again, जब हमारे पास कुछ चीज़ें हैं उनको हमें कंपेयर करना है, कौन सी चीज़ ज़्यादा है, कौन सी बहुत ज़्यादा है किसके पास. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, किनी और क्रिश इस पिक्चर में दोनों के पास एप्पल्स है. कैन यू सी द पिक्चर? बोथ ऑफ देम हैव एप्पल्स. One has more apples and one has little less apples. Kinney has more apples. Shobh, will you please pay attention, child? Kinney has more apples than Krish. Kinney के पास Krish से ज़्यादा apples है. Now let us count. Kinney के पास कितने apples हैं? शुभ काउंट करके जल्दी से बताइए.
6.
किनी के पास कितने एप्पल्स हैं?
Ma'am, 3.
Kinney has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. And Krish has 1, 2, 3 apples. Yes, children? Ronak, how many apples does Kinney have? 5 apples. Very good. And Krish has 3 apples. So Ronak, who has more apple? किसके पास ज़्यादा apples हैं? Kinney, very good. Kinney has more apples than Krish. Kinney has more apples than Krish. Right. Now tick the group which has more. Look at the pictures given here, children. You have some fruits here. Apples, bananas, pineapple, oranges. Now, one by one we are going to do. Hassan, the first picture. Hassan, count the apples in the first group. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, and the second group में कितने apples हैं?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, अब आप हमें बताएंगे 6 ज्यादा है कि 3 ज्यादा है? 6. Very good. So children, put a tick on the group which has 6 apples. 6 बड़ा है नंबर, 6 ज्यादा एप्पल्स है. अगर मम्मी ने एप्पल्स दिए, आपको 6 दिए, आपके सिस्टर को 3 एप्पल्स दिए, तो इसका मतलब आपके पास ज्यादा है. So 6 is more than 3. Now look at the pineapples. Count the pineapples. Hayat, count the pineapples and tell me which group has more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 5.
शुभ, शुभ, हम लास्ट टाइम आपको समझा रहे हैं, लास्ट टाइम हम आपको समझा रहे हैं कि जब एक बच्चे से मैम क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है उसको भी आंसर करने का मौका दीजिए, otherwise I will have to remove you from the meeting for this kind of a behavior.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Hayat.
5 pineapples have.
Five pineapples. And in the second group, how many pineapples?
2.
All right. Now you tell me which is more. कौन सा ज्यादा है? More मतलब ज्यादा. 5 ज्यादा है या 2 ज्यादा है?
5.
5. Very good. So we put a tick on the box which has 5 pineapples, children. Right. Now the next one. The next one we have bananas there. Hassan, sit straight. Are you doing your work, Hassan? All right, Aradhya. Count the bananas and tell me which group has more bananas.
Then 4.
First group has 1 banana, second group has 4. So 4 is more. Put a tick over there, all of you. All right, Hardik, the next one. Count the oranges. The orange.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, और फर्स्ट वाले ग्रुप में कितने ऑरेंजेस थे?
2.
2. तो ज्यादा कौन सा है?
4.
अगर मम्मी ने आपको 2 ऑरेंजेस दिए और आपकी सिस्टर को 4 ऑरेंजेस दिए तो किसके पास ज्यादा होगा, हार्दिक? 4 will be more. Yes, put a tick on 4. All right, the next one is most. जब हमारे पास कुछ चीजें हैं और हमें देखना है सबसे ज्यादा, most means सबसे ज्यादा. Now again, Krish and Kinney are here with the carrots, and there is one little rabbit. He's got only 1 carrot. We have to see most. सबसे ज्यादा किसके पास है? Krish has the most carrots. See, the bear, he's got the most. Count the carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Krish has 5 carrots. Rabbit has 1 carrot. And Kinney has 4 carrots. So, Krish के पास सबसे ज्यादा carrots है. Most, सबसे ज्यादा. Cross the group which has the most. Now see the strawberries. You have in the first group 2 strawberries, and second group we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strawberries, and in the third group only 1 strawberry. So out of the 3 groups में से सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रॉबेरी कौन से ग्रुप में है विजुअल? फर्स्ट ग्रुप, सेकेंड ग्रुप, थर्ड ग्रुप. किसमें सबसे ज्यादा? सबसे ज्यादा किसमें है? विजुअल, ध्यान से पिक्चर को देखिए, ध्यान से पिक्चर को देखिए.
सेकंड. मैम सेकंड.
विजुअल, ध्यान से देखिए कौन से ग्रुप में है ज्यादा?
सेकंड मैम.
सेकेंड ग्रुप में ज्यादा है. Okay, so put a cross on that. And the second picture you have pears. Pear is a fruit. First box में 2 है, second में 1 है, and in the last box you have 6. So सबसे ज्यादा पेयर किस वाले ग्रुप में है रौनक? रौनक, look at the picture. The third group. All right. So put a cross there. Put a cross over there. All right. Now with that, we come to the end of your maths class, children. We'll meet again in the next period for your science. Take your break. Thank you.